Life doesn't stop when school is over and that first job starts. When one chapter ends and another begins, life continues. And for us, learning continues too. Whoever you are and whatever your background, we think you should be free to learn and to keep learning at every stage of your life.
The chance to learn history in Cambridge, all the way from Caerphilly.
The knowledge that I'm going to need to take my clinical work to another level.
The opportunity to grow and get to know an amazing new community across one amazing summer. It's here. From weekend courses to postgraduate degrees. For thousands of students from across the world. We have hundreds of courses, in person and online, on your terms and your timelines. You join a diverse and democratic global community learning directly from Cambridge academics, where everyone has the support to thrive and is there to support each other. This is where those first scribbled notes turn into that first novel, where great listeners kickstart careers in coaching, where scientists gather to learn the techniques that could transform our world. This is education across a lifetime that meets you where you are and helps you get where you want to go. Life continues. So does learning.